Home inspection versus appraisal. As a home buyer, there are two contingencies you will most likely put in place with your offer: the home inspection and the appraisal. So what is the difference between the two? Hi, I'm Cheryl Fowlkes with eXp Realty and Superior Town and Country Group. When you decide to buy your first home, you may have a general idea of what a home inspection is, but maybe you're not quite sure why you need one or how it's different from the appraisal. Let's explore the two. So as a buyer, you can be more informed about the process and how it benefits you as a consumer. With a home inspection, once your offer is accepted, getting an inspection is a key part of the process. A home inspection will give you an idea of the safety and overall condition of the home. And more importantly, it'll help you foresee any unexpected repairs. Realtor.com reports, a home inspection is something that protects your financial interest in what will likely be the largest purchase you will ever make in your life, and one where you need as much information as possible. If anything comes up questionable in the inspection, like an HVAC system or appliances, that will give you the opportunity to negotiate any replacements or repairs. Now let's talk about the home appraisal. The home appraisal is your report your lender will most likely request, and it will give you the home's value based on comparables in the neighborhood. According to real estate website Bankrate, an appraisal verifies that the sale price of the home is in line with fair market value. This ensures that the home buyer doesn't pay more for the property than what it's worth. Bottom line, both the inspection and the appraisal are different but equally important when you're buying a home. It's always important to discuss these two contingencies with your agent so that you can have expert guidance on your purchase and strategize your offer. Please reach out to my team and I for more detailed information on the appraisal and home inspection process and how we can help you find your perfect home.